In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to order a Wise digital card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Digital or virtual cards are a secure way to make purchases online and manage various different cards. You are free to make as many as you wish using the Wise mobile app, and all of them can be managed on the card tab. So, assuming that you have already created and verified your Wise account, you will be able to order a digital card and use them right away. If you still haven't set up a Wise account, then start the process and make sure that it is properly created. Now, once you open the Wise app, switch over to the card tab. If you have never acquired a card from Wise, you will see this message here: order a debit card or pay with QR code. And if you already have cards, I'm still going to teach you what to do later. But if you have never ordered a card, just go to order a debit card. Now it's going to give you the choice between digital or physical, and all that you have to do here is select digital card. You will notice that it's free to acquire one and you can get it instantly. So for this, your account needs to be verified. So this is why I mentioned already signing up to use Wise. Now, once you choose the digital card, you will be able to see all of the main options. You can show the PIN, see the details of the card, so the card number, expiration date, and security code. And you will have the option to freeze the card. So if you believe that any fraudulent activity is going on or you don't want to use this card anymore, you can go ahead and freeze it for safety. If you scroll down, you will see lots of options to manage this card, like the limits, where you can use it, contactless payments, and so on. And if you already have pre-existing cards and you don't see the menu that I displayed previously, just go over to the Cards tab and choose Order Card. You will also see the main options to order a digital one here. This is how it looks, and once you tap Order your digital card, you will acquire it here. You can customize the look of the card, and it is going to appear on the list of cards that you have on your account. You can also add it to an Apple Wallet or a Google Wallet to use it with those digital wallet services, and everything will be available for you to manage after you scroll down in this page. I hope I was able to help you on how to order Wise virtual card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.